Hi everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. Today we are in Ruiru KAMAKIS. To be specific, we are in the Greater Green Valley Estate. And here we are exactly 2.5 kilometers from the Eastern Bypass. Behind me are 4-bedroom all-en-suite mansions with a print area of 280 square meters. The price of these homes is 22 million and these homes have been constructed on a 50 by 80 lot each. As you can see, these homes comes with very high perimeter walls and on top of them you have an electric fence. These homes also comes with sliding gates and here you have the parking of this home. From there you can see that the cabro has not been done because the developer is waiting for you to make a choice of the options they have. The entrance of this home comes with a fairly big foyer, but what fascinates me is the concrete beams that holds it. They look massive. Let's get inside. Wow, this is a very big living room. And from here, I like the attention to details. I like the floors, they have been done very well, and I like the aspect of a corner window. Though comparing to the sheer size of this room, another window would be necessary. I like how the lighting has been done, and as much as we are missing the recessed lights, the side lights and the center light are bright enough for this room. On the other side, the living room opens to the dining area, but before I show you that, let me show you the lighting. You see, the recessed lights and the center light are doing justice to this room. The dining area comes big enough to fit a 10-seater or a 12-seater dining set. And it comes with a sink on this side, and on the other side, it opens to the kitchen of this home. The dining area comes with these two windows that makes the space look very airy. The opening to the kitchen makes a very good serving space, and here you can easily have a very good conversation with your partner as he or she is preparing your favorite meal. From here, I'll take you to the kitchen. This is a standard sized kitchen. And here is where you do your refrigerator. This kitchen comes with upper and lower cabinets, and it also comes with dark granite countertops all over. The kitchen also comes with a double sink that is next to the window. Here you have several drawers for your cutlery and your crockery. And on the opposite side, this is where you do your cooking stove. And above it, this is where your hood will be installed. This door opens to the pantry of this kitchen. The pantry is of a standard size, very well partitioned and big enough for all your dry foods. From here, I'll show you the rest of the house. From the kitchen, these stairs take you to the upper level. But before then, I'll have to show you the guest bedroom, the study, and the laundry area. This hallway takes you to the laundry area, and on my far front, you have the study. The laundry area is of a standard size, ample for all your laundry work, and provides a space enough for your washer and dryer. This door will take you to the clotheslines area. Let's get back inside. If you have 3 or 4 kids, this space is sufficient. But if you have more than 4 kids, the space may not be enough. The study comes with several shelves for all the books and documents. From here, I'll take you to the common bathroom. The common bathroom is here, and this is the guest bedroom. At the entrance of the common bathroom, you have a wash basin. The common washroom is of a standard size with all the simple amenities that you may require. Let me show you the guest bedroom. The guest bedroom is the smallest, and it comes with the smallest closet and the smallest bathroom. The closet comes with spaces here for the foldable clothes and a space here for the hangable clothes. From here, I'll take you to the first level. This is the bathroom of this bedroom, but it's not fully done. Let me take you to the first level. I like it that the developer decided to do a mahogany staircase. On this level, you have the 3 bedrooms and a family room. We will see the family room first. The family room is of a standard size, not the biggest that we have seen, but it's enough for you to do catch-up meetings in the evening. This door opens to the balcony of the family room, and this balcony joins with the balcony in the first bedroom. From this balcony, you'll enjoy the best views of this estate, and on the other side, it joins to the first bedroom. And instead of us using the main door to the first bedroom, we will use the balcony one. The first bedroom is very bright, and from the colors, I think it was meant for the girls. On this side, you have its closet, and next to it, you have the bathroom to this bedroom. The closet is of a standard size, similar to the one that I showed you in the guest bedroom, and the bathroom is here. Let me take you to the boys' room. The boys' bedroom is here, and before you get into the boys' bedroom, you have the boys' bathroom. The boys' bathroom is not fully complete, but from there you can get an idea of how all the bathrooms will look like. Let me show you the boys' room. The boys' bedroom is very blue and grey in color, and it comes with its closet here. The closet is of a standard size, but slightly smaller than the closets that we have seen in other homes. And it comes with spaces here for the foldable clothes and some spaces on the other side for the hangable clothes. Let me show you the balcony to this bedroom. From here, I'm very sure that your boys will be the happiest in the family because they'll be enjoying the best views of the rest of the estate. Let me take you to the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom is on the opposite side of the kids' bedrooms. This is the biggest bedroom in this home, and it comes with its walk-in closet here, and next to it you have its bathroom. On the opposite side you have its balcony, and as you can see, it enjoys a very nice space, and it comes with a corner window. Let's see the walk-in closet, the dresser, and the shoe rack area. This side has been made specifically for your shoes, and as you can see, the space is sufficient. On the opposite side, you have a dresser for your spouse, and this is where the mirror will be installed. The dresser also comes with several drawers down here. Let's see the walk-in closet. The walk-in closet covers both sides of this small room. And as you can see, the space is ample and sufficient for all your clothes. Behind me, you have the primary bathroom. At the entrance of the primary bathroom, you have a wash basin and a water closet. This other space has been set aside for all your showering activities. And it comes with a shower cubicle, and this space is where your bathtub will be installed. It's a standard shower cubicle, and from here I'll show you the balcony to this bedroom. The balcony is on this other side. This is the biggest balcony, and it faces the front side of this home. And from here, you'll enjoy the best views to your garden and enjoy the biggest balcony space. That's all for this balcony. And that's all for this bedroom. From here, I'll take you to the upper level where you have the room that can be used as a gym or an office, and later I'll show you the roof deck. On this side, you have the room that can be used as a gym or the office, and at the entrance of it, you have an extra bathroom. The bathroom is of a standard size, similar to the ones that I showed you earlier, and it comes with a wash basin at the entrance. This space is sufficient for all your gym activities or your office businesses. And it comes with this door that leads you to the highest balcony in this home. From here, you'll enjoy the coldest breezes from Kilimambogo and the best sunset. I'll show you the roof deck. The roof deck covers a space of approximately 120 square meters, and it gives you very nice views to the landscape of Green Valley. This is your neighbor's house, and it's also on sale. On the other side of the balcony, this space is sufficient for you to do your meetings here or enjoy your barbecue during the weekend. Let's get back inside. We have come to the end of the tour, and I hope you have enjoyed. If this is what you have been looking for and you have 22 million spared somewhere, just call us and we'll link you with the developer and you'll have your home. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video. As always, never stop watching. Bye bye.